This video is about covalent molecules, covalent bonding. The other kind of bonding that you would have done plenty of is ionic, and that's where metals and non-metals exchange electrons, exchange charge, become charged ions that attract. This is the other way. This is where non-metals bond with non-metals, and they do that by sharing of electrons in the gaps between. Now, the example here with carbon, it has 4 electrons to make up, so it will bond with 4 hydrogens each sharing 1 each. And this is quite negatively charged here, whereas the nuclei are positive, and that's what creates a very strong attraction, a strong bond within the molecule. And they are very strong bonded, but between molecules, that's much weaker. The intermolecular bonds are very weak, and that means that usually covalent molecules are usually gases or liquids, fluids. If they're solid, they will melt pretty easily in most cases, and because the electrons are all tied up, they won't conduct electricity, except with very rare exceptions like things like graphite. The other example here we've got is oxygen. You'll notice, if you remember, oxygen's in group 6, so it needs 2 extra electrons to make up its bond. Then it will bond with another oxygen by sharing 2 pairs, and that 2 pairs means a double bond, which is represented by a double line in shorthand. So just worth reiterating, a single bond covalently is a pair of shared electrons, a double bond is 2 pairs of shared electrons. So in summary, they tend to make small molecules with strong bonds internally, weak intermolecular bonds, easily melted if they're solid, don't conduct electricity, and they're compounds between non-metals. So that's a summary of covalent molecules. Thanks very much for watching.